Hello dear friends, welcome to FinShapi. I am Ram, I am CFA charter holder. Today we are going to see a demo how to gift shares using Zerodha Kite app. Zerodha introduced online gifting of shares first time in India. Gifting shares is not a new thing. In offline process we can do that. In offline process we have to go to broker's office, we need to fill a form that is called delivery instruction slip. We need to give all the details of the sender and receiver and the shares information etc. But that takes a lot of time. Using Zerodha Kite app, you can gift shares within few seconds by few button clicks. Before we going to demo, let us discuss about tax implications, because this is the most important point while gifting shares. If you want to gift the shares to relative, as per Income Tax Act, relative definition I have given here. Relative could be our parents or grandparents or kids or brothers or sisters. These are all come under relatives. There is no limit of number of shares or any worth of shares you can give as a gift. There is no tax implication either for the sender or the receiver. So, there is no tax implication at all. But if you are gifting to your friend, in that case, if you are gifting more than 50,000, in that case for sender there is no tax implication, but for the receiver, if gift is more than 50,000, in that case they have to show their gift amount more than 50,000 as a income in their tax filing. This is about tax implications. And one more thing, that if you are using Zerodha Kite app to give the shares, whoever is receiving, they should also have the Zerodha Demat account. If they don't have a Zerodha Demat account, to receive these shares gift, they need to open Zerodha Demat account. To open Zerodha Demat account, I have given Zerodha account opening link in this video description. You can make use of it. You can open Zerodha Demat account within 10 minutes online. Now let us go and see the demo. In Zerodha Kite app, click on your profile and click on console. You will go to console page. Again click on your profile and you can see gift stocks option. Click on it. So, once you click on gift stock option, you can see send a gift box in the below, where you need to give recipient name, recipient mobile number, recipient email ID. I am giving my wife details here as I wanted to gift few shares for demo purpose. So, I gave details. We need to click on continue. Once we click on continue, we will redirect it to stock holdings page. We can see all our stock holdings in this page. From my holdings, I am giving Muthoot Finance 10 stocks as a gift for demo purpose. So, once you selected the number of shares, you need to click on confirm and send. Once you click on it, notification will go to recipient mobile number to her email ID. Okay, now I will open my wife email ID and Demat account and do the steps required to do from recipient point of view also. I have opened my wife email ID. You can see the gifting details here. When we click on accept the gift, if you already opened Demat account, her Demat account, it will automatically go to console page. In other words, we can also open Demat account, we can also open Zerodha Kite and go to console page. You will see this gift details here. Here recipient need to click on accept the gift. Once recipient accepted the gift, as a sender we need to approve that gift. Again I opened my Demat account in console page. Here you can see the next step, approve the gift. So I need to click on approve. Upon clicking on approve, it will be redirected to CDSL website. So in CDSL website, we need to again authorize the transaction using the TPIN. So click on continue to CDSL. So we can see the transaction details here in the below. So here you need to enter your TPIN and click on verify. So this is almost the last step. One more step is left. On the same day, you will get the email from CDSL with the subject like verification of off market and intermediate transaction on CDSL. You have a link here about your transaction. You need to click on that link from email ID. It will redirect it to again CDSL website. Again, once again we need to approve the transaction with OTP. So to get the transaction details, either you need to give your PAN number or Demat account number and click on submit. I am giving my PAN number and getting the details. of off market transaction of this shares gift. Click on submit. So you can see here transaction details. Click on select. You can see transaction type off market, and you can see the share. You can see the stock name Muthoot Finance and quantity details and trade reason as a gift. So you need to click on generate OTP and enter that OTP here. This would be the last step to complete the complete this gifting process using Zerodha-Kite app. So I am entering OTP here. So you need to complete the transaction on the same day when you get this email. So click on OK. So you can see the transaction information. Selected transaction accepted successfully. That's it, friends. We have done this demo process of gifting shares using Zerodha-Kite app. Hope you like it. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do it. Thank you.